Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to activate the option to scroll within the folder without the need to actually tap on it and open all of the apps. Just by swiping we will be able to check all of the apps that are inside the folder. So first of all, you need to open the Good Lock, which is the app. You can find it in the Play Store or in the Galaxy Store. So let's simply tap on it. And here in the plugins, you need to scroll and find the option Home App. Then let's tap on home screen right here. And now scroll all the way down to find this folder section. Now let's go to this large folder. As you can see, in my case, it is turned on. I've got it on the custom. So it doesn't really matter whether you've got it on large, medium or custom. It's completely up to you because we need to scroll to those detail settings. And here we've got the option page scroll. So let's mark this option, let's activate it, and now we can go back. So as you previously saw in this folder, I've got plenty of apps. So instead of opening it, I can simply swipe inside the folder to simply check all of the available apps that are right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.